Suzuki is ready to shake up the automotive world by introducing an exclusive motorcycle lineup likely to be called the Yellow Weapon series. This collection is designed to attract two-wheel enthusiasts who follow the latest trends while keeping the spirit of this legendary brand alive. In 2016, Suzuki brought back the Suzuki SV650, a legendary naked bike featuring a refreshed classic design and improved performance. After being absent for several years, this third-generation SV650 marked the revival of a model known for its perfect balance of power, handling, and riding comfort. The 2016 SV650 is powered by an updated 645 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled DOHC V-twin engine that meets Euro 4 emission standards. It produces up to 75 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 64 Newton-meters of torque at 6,800 revolutions per minute. The engine update involved more than 60 new components, including a more advanced fuel injection system and improved combustion efficiency. The V-twin engine character continues to deliver strong torque at low to mid-range RPM, making it ideal for daily commuting as well as relaxed rides on winding roads. Adopting a concept successfully implemented by several other manufacturers, this project will involve external experts such as custom builders, designers, and renowned motorcycle makers. They will be given full creative freedom to develop new variations of Suzuki's well-known mass production models. Meanwhile, Suzuki's internal creative team will help refine these bold ideas into more realistic, market-ready designs. The Suzuki Yellow Weapon series is a motorcycle concept created to appeal to automotive enthusiasts who want a classic scrambler-style bike with modern performance. It offers trendy styling combined with reliable capability across various terrains, from paved roads to light off-road trails. Its rugged character, enhanced with premium touches, makes it especially appealing to custom bike lovers and collectors seeking a distinctive yet functional machine.